is you look at how most IT environments in manufacturing and digital environments in manufacturing are set up today. Do you think that's part of the challenge where they're just not set up and geared for that kind of a capability to come in easily? There's going to have to be some changes there.
Well, I think we have to start on the obvious one. Yeah. You have your IT environment and you have your OT environment. And let's face it, there are very few companies that I've worked with where they are one team in one place. They're seen as separate. To start with, internally, there's a barrier between who owns the systems, how they get them to work. And then there is about the plumbing of the data between this, because you've got to get the data plumbed, you've got to get accurate. There's anecdotal components in this report and linking to, Rockwell's recent state of manufacturing report. Only 44% of manufacturers believe they're using data effectively within the business. We've got to get that data plumbed in. And then if you've got it together and contextualized, it's not just about time series data. You need more context to what you're producing, everything else. And anyway, don't get me on UNS and all those sort of things. Once you've got that, then the opportunity for technologies like agentic AI are massive. But there's a lot of lift that's still needed to get the foundational layers kind of secure and properly trusted at all levels. And I'm not just talking about the managers trusting the data. I'm talking more and probably more importantly about the operators trusting the data that are actually interacting with the system, providing that continuous improvement and knowledge, their knowledge, and embedding that into the way these AI models are working. All those things is a big lift rather than just the tech. The tech's there, it works, but the building blocks underneath it need shoring up.
Dan, how ready do you think manufacturing is for autonomy, where these agents can not only, as they say, you don't have to just trust the data, you actually have to trust the decisions?